हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। अब हम लोग जो है क्लास 10th का जो चैप्टर कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आजकल। अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के अंदर हमने मेन सारे लॉज किए, हमने अरेंजमेंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेस किया, सीरीज और पैरेलल में कैसे रेजिस्टेंस हम अप्लाई करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं, व्हाट इज द रीजन, उसको हम न्यूमेरिकल वे में भी सॉल्व किया। ओके, एंड देन वी हैव आल्सो डिराइव्ड द रेजिस्टेंसेस इन सीरीज एंड पैरेलल। ओके, तो अभी हमारा एक लास्ट टॉपिक है विच इज कॉल्ड हीटिंग इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट एंड पावर। ओके, इसके लिए थोड़ा सा एक रिकैप सा करते हैं, कुछ मुझे आप समझाएं कि व्हाट इज पावर and what is energy। ये है क्या? अगर तो मैं इसको न्यूमेरिकल वे में आपसे बात करूं तो मैं क्या कह सकता हूं कि पावर इज व्हाट, V into I, that is power। and what is energy? एनर्जी क्या है? अगर हम इसको बोले कि एनर्जी इज कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनर्जी। ओके, एनर्जी में एक फैक्टर आएगा विच इज कॉल्ड टाइम फैक्टर। ओके, पावर एंड एनर्जी, इन दो चीजों को आपने कोरिलेट करना है। एक बात करिए कि पावर की जो यूनिट्स हैं दैट इज वॉट और किलोवाट, एंड vis-a-vis एनर्जी इज व्हाट, इट इज कॉल्ड joules। What is heating effect of current? Commonly in day-to-day life, you are using so many instruments at your home. The very first examples, what I want to give you, that your iron. See, in the morning, you get ready to go to your school, ironing your clothes. But what is the phenomena behind it? How the iron get heat up with current? How the iron get heat up with the current? That is the main logic. Similarly, you see electric bulb. If electric bulb that is switched on for 1 hour or 2 hours, you are not able to touch the bulb because there is tremendous heat. You cannot even touch it. You have at your home, you have hair dryers which can dry your wet hair. How? It produces hot hair. How? Because inside the dryer there is one element. Element is producing heat. In winters, you are using room heater. Room heater, it is giving you warmth. The reason being, there is an element, it is connected, then there is some current, and that current is producing heat. That heat is produced in any instrument because there is some resistance in it. And when the current gets resisted, it is flowing through the circuit and there is a resistance. अगर वो वहां के ब्लॉक हो रहा है तो एनर्जी कहाँ जा रही है? वो एनर्जी जाएगी कुछ हीट की फॉर्म में और कुछ वेस्ट होगी. जो हीट की फॉर्म में जा रही है एनर्जी, दैट इज कॉल्ड हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट. ओके, सी आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग one formula. Then we will explain this formula. H is equal to I square RT. What H? H is heat. Heat is what? It is energy. Heat is what? It is energy. जो मैंने लिखा था, that is capacity to do work. What is I? I is current. What is R? R is resistance. What is T? T is time. So, what does it mean? It means that heat produced in an electric circuit, the heat produced in an electric circuit is, number one, directly proportional to the square of the current applied. जितना करंट उस सर्किट में अप्लाई हो रहा है, हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड उसके स्क्वायर में होगी. सो हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द करंट अप्लाइड. नंबर 2, it is directly proportional to the resistance. R. जितना ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है उतनी ज्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. नंबर 3, डायरेक्टली proportional to the time. जितने ज्यादा टाइम के लिए, जितने ज्यादा समय के लिए करंट उस सर्किट से फ्लो कर रहा है, हीट प्रोडक्शन उतनी ही ज्यादा है. So these 3 points, okay, this is what? This is called, very important, that is called Joule's law of heating. So what does it says? That H is equal to I square RT. एक सर्किट में जितना देर तक, जितने ज्यादा समय तक, जितना करंट, जितना रेजिस्टेंस से पास हो रहा है, वो चीज उसकी हीट उतनी ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. लेट्स सपोज हमने कहा एक बल्ब है आपके घर में, एक बल्ब का आपने ऑन किया 5 मिनट्स के लिए ओनली, देन यू आर एबल टू टच दैट बल्ब. बट इफ दैट बल्ब हैज बीन स्विच्ड ऑफ सिंस 2 hours, 3 hours, then you are not able to touch that bulb. Reason being because the time factor. Okay, the resistance, current, all these factors. This thing is called Joule's law. In daily examples of the heating, I said you use at your home the room heater, electric bulb, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब में क्या रहता है? In electric bulb, there is one filament. That filament is made up of tungsten with high resistance. And there are certain gases inside the bulb. When current is switched on, that filament, that filament is having current, and due to the tungsten material, it get what? Hotness. After when get red hot, it become white hot. And it start producing illumination. That's why you are able to see when there's a glowing in the bulb. That is all time factor, the tungsten, the resistance. Similar phenomena is that in the room heater. In room heater, there is a filament. When you switch on that filament, the current is flowing through the filament. The resistance is high, and after some time it gets glowing and producing heat. So what we say, that it depends upon the material used, how high is the resistance of that material, and the current flowing through the circuit as well as the time. So this is called the heating effect of the current, and the day-to-day life you are using it at your home. All your appliances at your home, they produce heat. That is due to the current, resistance and time, known as Joule's law, and our units of heat are joules, because it is a form of energy. अब यहीं से हम क्या चीज कर सकते हैं? What is power? What is power? Power is V into I. V into I is called power. So what is power? Power is said to be 1 watt if the current of 1 ampere is flowing through a circuit having potential difference or voltage of 1 volt. पावर को आप कॉमनली यूज करते हैं वॉट और किलोवाट. किलोवाट मीन्स 1000 watts. And here, what is kilowatt hour? What is kilowatt hour? Kilowatt hour is 1000 watt multiplied by seconds. How many seconds are there in 1 hour? It is 60 into 60. That is 3600 seconds. So 3600. Okay. This is 1000. That is 36 into 10 raised to power 5. Or you can say 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6. What? Watt. what is watt hour? Sorry, watt second. This is what? This is called joules. So 1 kilowatt hour कितना हुआ? This is units of energy. So कितना हुआ ये? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. When we are talking about 1 kilowatt hour, we are talking about 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Okay. So guys, this is all sum up of your chapter electricity. Okay. If you have any questions, then just send it to me. We will try to solve your all queries. And the next lecture, we will do some numericals about it. Okay. Thank you very much.